second type of question you see, an RC coupled amplifier has a mid frequency gain of 200 and the frequency response from 100 to 20 kilohertz. This 200 is going to be capital A and bandwidth is going to be the subtraction of this 100 hertz is going to be the lower cutoff frequency, 20 kilohertz is going to be the higher cutoff frequency. If beta equal to 0.02 is incorporated into the circuit, determine the new system performance. So they are asking if I'm going to put negative feedback with some beta value as given, what is the new parameters? So same way bandwidth. So from A is known 200, beta is 0.02. So you can find AF. So AF will be A by 1 plus A beta. You get AF. Okay, AF is 40. Now FLF, you know FLF equal to FL by 1 plus A beta, the lower cutoff frequency will reduce. So FLF equal to FL by 1 plus A beta, you get 20 hertz. See 100 hertz, then it just come to 20 hertz when you're applying feedback. Okay, FHF we have to multiply because it will increase. So FHF equal to FH into 1 plus A beta, so you get 100 kilohertz. 20 kilohertz, then see it is increasing. So as we have seen just now, when you apply negative feedback, the lower cutoff frequency will reduce and the upper cutoff frequency will increase. Okay, this lower cutoff frequency 100 hertz will reduce and the upper cutoff frequency 20 hertz will increase. So 100 it has become 20 kilohertz has gone to 100 kilohertz. So the new bandwidth is subtract 100 kilohertz minus 20 hertz is approximately 100 kilohertz. And we are going to verify whether this value is correct. So we have seen one formula, the gain bandwidth product is same. So first we'll find the gain bandwidth product without feedback. So 200 into 20 kilohertz minus 100 hertz, that is 4000 kilohertz. With feedback, AF into BWF equal to AF is 40, BWF is 100K, so it comes to 4000 kilohertz. So you see the gain bandwidth product with feedback, the gain bandwidth product without feedback, both are going to be same. Both are going to be same. So this is a very, very important property. So this is just all our different forms of law of conservation of energy. So energy means it need not be in terms of voltage, current, power. It can also be in terms of gain. It can also be in terms of bandwidth. It can also be in terms of impedance. Anything it can be. So if you cannot convert one parameter to another term. Here if gain is reducing,